born of fire under the Maratha.
Shivaji Jayanti celebrates the birth of the legendary Maratha king, Shivaji Maharaj, known for his valor and progressive governance. Born on February 19, 1630, in the hill fort of Shivneri, Shivaji's life story is an inspiration to many. He founded the Maratha Empire and worked tirelessly against Mughal rule, promoting a sense of pride and identity. Shivaji was not just a warrior, he was also a skilled administrator who implemented progressive policies. Every year, people honor his legacy with parades, speeches, and various cultural events across Maharashtra and India.
Skies, a spark of courage in every eye, with a sword in hand and vision wide, Shivaji rose, a nation's pride. Mountains echoed his battle's call. He stood unbroken, never to fall. Freedom coursed through his loyal crew. A king, a hero, a dream come true.
Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into why Shivaji Jayanti still matters and why it continues to inspire us even today. This day is not just a date on the calendar, it's a celebration of a legacy that has shaped the very fabric of Indian history. First off, Shivaji Maharaj wasn't just any king. He was a beacon of hope and a symbol of resistance against oppression. He was a visionary leader, a brilliant tactician, and a champion of justice. His leadership qualities were unparalleled, and his ability to inspire his people was legendary. Born on February 19, 1630, he founded the Maratha Empire and stood up against the Mughal rule, pushing for Hindavi Swarajya, that's self-rule for the people of India. His birth in the hill fort of Shivneri was the beginning of a journey that would change the course of Indian history. Now, let's talk about why Shivaji Maharaj is such a big deal. His life and actions were a testament to his unwavering commitment to his people and his land. He wasn't just a brave warrior, he was a master of guerrilla warfare. His innovative tactics and strategies were ahead of their time and have been studied by military experts around the world. His swift cavalry attacks and clever use of hill forts made him a military genius. These forts were not just military installations but symbols of Maratha pride and resilience. And let's not forget his navy, a true pioneer in naval strategy. Shivaji Maharaj understood the importance of a strong navy and established one to protect his kingdom from coastal threats. But Shivaji Maharaj was more than just a fighter. He was a ruler who cared deeply for his subjects and their well-being. He was a just ruler who treated all his subjects equally, no matter their religion or caste. His administration was known for its fairness and efficiency. He had a strong code of ethics and always respected women. In an era where women were often marginalized, Shivaji Maharaj ensured their safety and dignity. In many ways, he was ahead of his time. His progressive policies and inclusive governance set a benchmark for future generations. So, how do people celebrate Shivaji Jayanti? The celebrations are as grand as the legacy of the man himself. In Maharashtra and beyond, the day is marked with grand processions, cultural programs, and folk performances. The streets come alive with the spirit of Shivaji Maharaj. Schools, colleges, and social organizations hold speeches and debates on his life and contributions. These events help educate the younger generation about his enduring legacy. Shivaji's statues and forts are beautifully decorated and honored with garlands. These decorations are a tribute to his enduring influence. It's not just about looking back though. Shivaji Maharaj's legacy is a living, breathing part of our culture. Shivaji Maharaj's vision, diplomacy, and bravery are still relevant today. His principles continue to inspire leaders and citizens alike. He's a symbol of self-reliance and unity. His life teaches us the importance of standing together and working towards common goals. His principles can guide us towards a better, more self-sufficient India. By following his example, we can build a nation that is strong and independent. While some try to use his legacy for political gains, his true message is about unity, justice, and good governance. It's important to remember the core values he stood for. Shivaji Jayanti is more than a celebration of a historical figure. It's a day to reflect on the values that made him great. It's a reminder of principles of courage, justice, and vision. These are the principles that can guide us in our daily lives. Principles that are as important today as they were back then. They are the foundation of a just and equitable society. So as we celebrate Shivaji Jayanti, let's remember the lessons Shivaji Maharaj taught us. Let's pass these lessons on to the next generation. Let his legacy inspire us to be better leaders and better citizens. His life is a testament to what one person can achieve with determination and vision. That's it for today, folks. Jai Shivaji Maharaj. Let's keep his spirit alive in our hearts and actions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Your support helps us bring more stories of courage and inspiration. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay inspired and keep celebrating our rich heritage.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to celebrate a special day, Shivaji Jayanti. Shivaji Jayanti is a national holiday in India, marking the birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a great warrior and the founder of the Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj was born on February 19, 1630, and his life is a testament to his courage, intelligence, and leadership skills. He is remembered for his unwavering commitment to his people and his nation. On this day, let's take a moment to remember and appreciate Shivaji Maharaj's contributions to Indian history. His legacy continues to inspire generations, and his story is a reminder of the power of determination and dedication. Thank you for joining us in celebrating Shivaji Jayanti. We hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting and informative content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.